This is my first CNC, the Shapeoko 3 XXL. Before I purchased this CNC, I was still making and selling things, but it was more in the traditional woodworking sense. This work was okay, but I had a full-time job at the time, and the amount of effort and time that it was taking versus the return on investment just wasn't worth it to me. So when I first discovered CNCs and saw the opportunity to replicate projects, I was hooked. So I jumped in head first. I tried Etsy, but then months went by without a sale. Then I saw other woodworkers making thousands of dollars on a weekend craft show. So I was figured, well, that's what I need to do. So I spent hours preparing for a craft show, and instead of making thousands, I didn't even make enough to cover the event fee. But through those ups and downs, that's where I learned the keys to success to selling the things that you make. I've genuinely earned $40,000 per year making and selling things on my CNC. But if you wanted to do the same, where would you even start? Is the only option to travel the long, disappointment-filled road of ups and downs that I did? Well, good news. I've taken all the best strategies that I've learned making and selling things on my CNC and created the most direct path that anyone can use to start making money now with their CNC, called Turn Your Hobby into a Profitable Side Hustle. Whether you're looking to purchase a CNC like this one, or you've owned one for years, Turn Your CNC Hobby into a Profitable Side Hustle is an easy to follow video guide where I'll teach you how to make, market, and sell the things that you make on your CNC. Think about it. How cool would it be to have a CNC hobby that pays you? I designed this course to make that a reality for you. To celebrate the launch of my new course, I'm offering everyone 3 free bonuses. For the next week only, everyone that purchases my course will receive my Confidently Price Your Work checklist. I use this checklist all the time. I go through it, check, and make sure I have everything accounted for in my price. That way I know I'm making money with each sale. The second bonus is that I will be hosting a private Q&A session about CNC business where everyone that purchases the course this week will receive an email invite to. This live event will be held on May 9th and will give you time to gather questions and bring them to get answers from me at this live event. The third bonus is that I'll be selecting 5 people that purchase my course in the next week to participate in a one-on-one session with me. One-on-one video meeting where we come up with a plan for your specific scenario so you can start making more money with your CNC. So all of these special bonuses will disappear at midnight on May 3rd. So if you're watching this video at the time of release, that is 7 days from now. You have 7 days to take advantage of these 3 exclusive bonuses, and then they disappear forever. So if you want your CNC hobby to start paying you and not just costing you, then be sure to click this link right here or down in the description to get instant access to my course, Turn Your CNC Hobby into a Profitable Side Hustle. Upon checkout, you'll have instant access so you can literally start right now.